Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on TCL 505. To do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, first one being on the bottom right here, then another one is located on top right here, and there's also a phone call speaker right there. To determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music. If the sound is coming from at least bottom speaker and top one, that would confirm that this device does have the stereo speakers. Now let's play some music and see if it's available. Okay, so I can confirm that the sound was coming from both of the speakers, one at the bottom and one on the top, but there was no sound from the phone call speaker. But anyway, this device does have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.